TD Ameritrade is a broker that offers an electronic trading platform for the trade of financial assets, including common stocks, preferred stocks, future contracts, exchange-traded funds, forex, options, cryptocurrency, mutual funds, fixed income investments, margin lending, and cash management services. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video. And in this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing in to your TD Ameritrade account. So if you want to find out how you can do so, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open the app TD Ameritrade. Make sure it has been downloaded in your device. Once the app has opened, you'll be able to see this interface. Now to log in, you need to enter your user ID and password. Enter the information asked here, and then check on this box right here if you want your device to remember your user ID, but don't take it if you are using a public or shared device. Once you do that, tap on login, and that's it. You'll be logged into the TD Ameritrade account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.